Hey guys, George Magic Touch. I'm going to be showing you how to decorate a gift bag today using the CL Media high-tech sticker paper. And the high-tech sticker paper, it's a sticker paper with a really sticky background, which allows you to decorate hard substrates. So today we printed the images through an Oki printer. You could use a laser printer. And since we had a cutter, we are able to run it through the cutter, which has an optical eye and allows to cut around the image like this. So you don't have to use any scissors, okay? So I got the bag here. It's an inexpensive bag, from the dollar store. So this way, doing this process is an inexpensive way to add personalization to small items like these, and really cheap too. So I'm just gonna take out the sticker. You notice we used a roll-in to cut around the image. Did a beautiful job. Just gonna grab it and apply it in the middle. Make sure I have it the right way. Simple, easy, and it looks nice, right? And again, you could also decorate tin cans. So you could do custom tin cans, you could do Mylars, you could do decals on cars. So you have to use your creativity with these type of material. And what we did here, we went to the dollar store and we added a decal. So if your customer doesn't have the funds, you could just decorate certain items that are cheap with the CL Media paper. You just gotta get creative, especially now that Christmas is coming. Go to the dollar store, go see what you could sell, add a name to it with the CL Media, and you could sell it for a good price. Check this out. I added a name and a picture with CL Media.